welcome back to my channel. If you didn't happen to catch the last vlog and you're just now tuning in, we are at the beach on family vacation right now. It is Wednesday morning. We got down last night, yesterday evening. So today is our first full day at the beach and I am just getting ready and putting on sunscreen and stuff. We are fixing to go out to the pool and chill out for a little bit. I'm gonna read some of my books and try to get a natural tan instead of this fake tan. I am queen of fake tans. If you're interested though, if you self tan as well at home, I actually use the self tanner called Isle of Paradise. I don't have the bottle with me or else I would show you, but I'll put a picture right here for you guys to show you what I use. It honestly is the best self tanner I have ever used. So check it out. If you guys try it, let me know. It's really great. I think you'll like it. I'm gonna try to go get out in the sun and replace the fake tan with a real tan. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. It is safe to say that I got a lot of sun today. I think I'm sunburned. I'm probably actually the color of the shirt. I just want to get on here real quick. Look at this view. This is from my bedroom. Check this out. I love it. I'm living the life. Yeah, so we just got back in from a day at the pool. It is a little after 4 o'clock now, so we're all getting showers and getting ready to go eat. I'm really excited about getting some seafood. I cannot wait. I love seafood so much, so super pumped about that. But yeah, I'll show you where we go. I think we're going to this place called Sliders. They have a really nice outside patio with outside seating, so plenty of space and social distancing. But yes, can't wait to get there and get some food. I am freaking starving.
Concentrate on your target, your stance, how everything feels. Maintain that Y. How did that feel?
Weird. Hey guys, what is up? It is day like 5 maybe of vacation. It's Sunday. We've done quite a bit this week, a good bit of relaxing. It's been a really good week so far, but I remembered that in my last video I told you guys I would give you a room tour, and I have not done that yet, so that's what I'm about to do. It just occurred to me that I don't think I've told you guys where we're staying. We are actually staying in Amelia Island, Florida, and it's an actual island. It's about 13 miles long-ish, maybe 6-ish miles wide, so it's on the east coast or the Atlantic coast of Florida. And like I said, my grandparents live here, so we've been visiting them or trying to visit them once a year since I was about 12, 13. It's beautiful here. It's really quiet. It's really peaceful. It's not at all like Panama City or Destin, which I love. It's just very relaxing. So anyways, we spent the morning at the pool. It's been kind of cloudy off and on today. And sure enough, every single day this week, about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, these storms roll in, and they've been kind of bad, like really bad thunder and lightning. So sure enough, one rolled in just a few minutes ago. It is 3:30 now, so we had one rolling through. It's still kind of cloudy, so I thought I would jump on here really quick and give you guys a tour. This is my bedroom for the week. I've got a nice big bed and this view. I've got a private little balcony right there that looks straight out over the Atlantic. I think that view is just gorgeous. So I've been sitting out there a lot watching the storms roll in. It's really pretty. Yeah, this is such a cute room. Living like a queen up here. And then just got a little bathroom, closet, shower. Ooh, did you guys hear it thunder? It's still thundering outside pretty bad. Yeah, that's the room tour. Hope you like it. Can y'all hear this thunder? Oh my gosh. Lots of thunder. It is thundering quite a bit out there. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I love being out in the sunshine. I love, you know, beaching and pooling and all that stuff. But I think it is so incredibly pretty when a big thunderstorm rolls through on the beach or like at nighttime out over the ocean where it's pitch dark and you can see lightning and stuff. That is one of my favorite things ever. Do you like the camera? I think I really love it. I'm excited. If y'all didn't know, which you probably do, but if you didn't, wear sunscreen on a cloudy day, even when you think you don't need it, because I got pretty burned today. Not too bad, but definitely a little red. Ew, gross. Don't mind my dirty mirror. That's disgusting. Oh, sorry about that. Check this out. Got a little bit of sun this week. Just a little bit. Ooh, look at this. Crazy beach hair. Don't mind that, and don't mind my face. I just got out of this shower. I have more of those things. Remember when I told you guys like the masks or whatever are making that happen to my face? Not cool. Anyways, today is our very last day. It's Monday. We are leaving tomorrow morning to head back home. So sad. So yeah, just checking in. It's about 1:30, almost 2 o'clock probably by now. And oh, we just came up from the pool a few minutes ago. So we're showering and getting ready for dinner. Look at what's happening right now though. Can you see that? So much rain. Ooh, lightning. That's been happening pretty much every day. Wow, my face is red. I need to go put on some makeup. This is not cute. All right, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. Look like a potato.
You are a potato.
I'm not a potato.
A couch potato!
Hey guys, so I am back in Nashville. It is Tuesday, so we drove in tonight. Just got back to my other half. Did you miss me?
Yes.
Yeah, so it was a really good trip. I'm glad we got to go. It was some much needed time off. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. And we will see you in the next video. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm very tired now.